Okay, so this is a 2011 Toyota 4Runner SR5. You can see this is broken off. I'm trying to replace this with this new one. Okay. So this is the 3 light. Comes with this a new light assembly. So this is the first one, like that. The second one. I probably will use my old light. I assume it's better. So first I need to open up this panel. So I basically just do this. Oh man. Okay. Put this open, and then when you look inside, you can see there is a one screw here. I need to take it off. There is another one, I think up there. It's actually one in here, this one, and the other is this one. So I just need to take this off. So there are only like 2 nuts holding this assembly. But the thing is, you can see this is pretty long. They use 10 millimeter nuts, so I can use this. This is 10 millimeter, but this is too short. I also have this one. This is also 10 millimeter, but I just couldn't put it in. So I have to get this pair. I have to get this 10 millimeter one. After I take off these 2 nuts, this is the only thing I need to take off. Okay, so you can see it probably better here. I just need to take off these 2 nuts and then take this power input, because that's the only thing that's connect this whole assembly to the car. So I'm gonna keep my old light. So this is actually kind of glued in place. You can see. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my old light. This is a new one. So I just need to take this out and put it. So that's the old one. This one. That's the old one. Okay. So this is the old light assembly with the new light box. So that's the new light assembly with the old light box. Okay, now I just need to put this back and then put it on the car. need to put this one back. So now the new one is installed. You can see all I need to do is just put this panel back. Put this panel back. That's it. I think it's this way. So this is a regular light. So this is a turn signal. And this one must be the backup light.